Executive Chairman of Exam West. I want to use the media to tell Nigerians, to tell the good people of Edo State that we are here for oversight, the construction of federal highways. I want to appreciate the federal government. I want to appreciate Boa Construction Company. I want to equally appreciate His Excellency, the Governor of Edo State. I want to tell the people of Exam West that we are here to make sure we supervise this work. I, as the local government chairman, have provided an environment for this construction company. I have given them yard. I have given them accommodation to make sure this project is completed. And I want to tell everybody that this project is not Monday Oberolos project.
Yes.
I, the local government chairman, have contributed to this project, and I'm here day and night to make sure our people will enjoy the dividends. That this project will be completed in the mighty name of Jesus. And God bless you.
We want to know who was the land. We want to know who was the land.
We want to know. We want to know.
We want to know who was the land.
We want to know. We want to know. We want to know. We want to know.
Comrade Collins Aigbogun, happy Pinasa, Collins Nama, Yawara Loki Rago, Amanda Sapele, Ivo Killa Yavande Namana, Iriano, Ariano Seremuja Yagagenete, Irano Safiele Yagasapagolia. Ariano Saramuga Yagagenete. Evalendo Satobo le fega Sapogoya. Abuja, 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 Abuja. Yaguluna